For a standalone or fully integrated compressor system, Kaishan delivers the most efficient, high-performance range of compact compressors for a wide variety of specialised applications. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. From 3 to 15 kilowatt capacity, Kaishan has the right compact compressor for your needs. The revolutionary Scroll OX series with lubricated orbital technology takes compact air compressors to a whole new level of performance. More energy efficient, more reliable, super quiet, and with a 100% duty rating, these advanced machines are available as a freestanding unit or a tank-mounted fully integrated system. Kaishan also supply a wide range of compact rotary screw and reciprocating compressors to handle a wide range of workshop and specialised industry applications. So, when you need higher performance and efficiency from your air compressors, inspect the range backed up by a national support and service network. And thank you for watching.